Morning, dear students. Let us begin our mathematics class. We are continuing with simple interest. We have learnt about simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now, we'll move further and we'll find out one of P means principal, R, rate and T, time when SI, simple interest is given. Now, let us see. This is the formula which we know. This is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. This is the main formula of simple interest. Now, other formulas will be derived from the main formula. Now, this is the main formula. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now, we have taken this 100 to the left side of the equal to. So, SI into 100 equals to P into R into T. Now, if we want the formula for P, means principal. If we want to find out principal, when SI, R and T are given, then this formula becomes SI into 100 divided by R into T equals to principal. The same happens with rate. SI into 100 equals to P into R into T. R, rate we want to find out when SI, P and T are given. Then the formula becomes SI into 100 divided by P into T equals to rate. The third formula also derived from the main formula for time, that again is simple interest into 100 divided by P into R equals to T, that is time. We'll put these three formulas to find out time, rate and principal. Now let us see example 1. The simple interest on rupees 5,000 for a certain period of time at a rate of 12% per annum is rupees 1,800. Find the time. So what are the things given here? This rupees 5,000, that is principal, 12% rate and 1,800 simple interest is given. What we have to find out is time. So now let us see the solution. We know that the main formula of SI equals to P into R into T divided by 100. And we know T equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Now we'll put the values given in this sub-formula to find out the T. Now SI is 1,800 into 100 divided by P, that is principal, is 5,000 into 12, that is rate of interest. That comes to 3 years, time in years. Let me solve the sum for you. Now, what we have to find out is SI. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now, in this formula, we have to find out T. So, we'll derive sub-formula for this T. This 100 goes to the other side of equal to and this becomes SI into 100. Then P into R into T remains here. Now T will leave here only and this PR will be brought to the other side of the equal to. So what will happen? SI into 100 divided by P into R equal to this T. So, T is equal to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Now, let us do the example. SI is 1,800 into 100 divided by P is 5,000 into 12% interest 12. 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0 get cancelled. Another 0 got cancelled. Now, cancel it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 6 are 30. 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36. So, we are finding time. It means this is 3 years. So, how much time it took? It took 3 years. Now, come to example 2. The simple interest on rupees 2,000 for 3 years is rupees 420. Find the rate. Now let us see what are the things given. Simple interest on rupees 2000 means principal is 2000 for 3 years. Time is 3 year and simple interest is 420. What we have to find out is R, that is the rate. Again, we'll derive this sub formula for rate from the main formula. Now let us see the solution. The main formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. R equals to SI into 100 divided by P into T. Now we'll put the value SI 420 into 100 divided by P, that is 2000 into 3, that comes to 7%. So rate of interest is 7%. Now let me show the working for you. Now here what we are deriving is rate of interest. Now the main formula equals to SI equals to simple interest equals to P into R into T divided by 100. So we'll bring this 100 to the other side of the equal to and it becomes SI into 100. And what are left here? P into R into T. So we'll write as it is. P into R into T. Now what we have to find out is we have to find out rate. So we'll leave this R here itself and we'll bring this T and P to the other side of the equal to. So R remains here. And what are already here? SI into 100 already there. And this P and T brought from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this becomes SI into 100 divided by P into T equals to R, that is rate. Now let us find out the sum. This is SI is 420 into 100 divided by P into T, that is principal is 2000 and time is 3 years. Now 1 0, 1 0 get cancelled, second 0, third 0. Now cancel it with 2, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 3 7s are. So R equals to 7%. So this is our answer. 7% is rate of interest. Now come to example 3. The simple interest on a certain sum of money at 5% per annum for 4 years is rupees 1400. Find the principal. Here we have to find out the principal and let us see what are the things given. 5% rate is given, 4 years time is given and 1400 simple interest is given. What we have to find out is the principal. Now let us see the solution. Again we'll derive the sub formula for principal from the main formula of simple interest, that is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Principal P equals to SI into 100 divided by R into T. Now we'll put the values into the sub formula to find out the principal. 1400 the SI, that is simple interest, into 100 divided by R, that is 5%, and T, that is 4 years. That comes to rupees 7000. So principal is 7000. Now let me do the working for you. So what we have to find out is principal. Again what we are going to do is first write the main formula, that is P into R into T divided by 100, that is simple interest. Now what we have to find out is P. So we'll leave this P here. First of all we'll take this 100 to the other side of the equal to. So what it becomes? Here it is division. So on the other side this becomes multiplication. Equals to all the 3. P into R into T as it is. Now we have to find out this P. So we'll leave this P here and R and T will be brought to the other side of the equal to. Now because they are in multiplication, so when they go to the other side of the equal to, they become division. So SI into 100 as it is and R and T will come in division as denominator. That equals to P, that is principal. So P is equal to SI into 100 divided by R into T. Now let us do the working of example 3. See what is SI? That is 1400 into 100 divided by R is 5%, T is 4 years. Now cancel it. This is 4, 25s are 100, 5, 5s are 25. Now we'll multiply. This is rupees, means P is equal to. So what it would be? 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. 7,000 rupees is the principal amount here. Got it? So this is how we found P. Now let us do exercise 16.2. Question number 1. Find the time when. What we have to find is time when principal rupees 1000, SI rupees 350 and rate 7 given. So principal, SI and rate given, and we have to find out the time. We'll again use the same sub formula derived from the main formula. T equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R. 350 into 100 divided by 1000 into 7, that comes to 5 years. That is the time. Let me show the working. This is what we have to find out is time. Time equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R. We'll just put the values. What is the value of SI? That is 350 into 100 divided by P is 1000 into rate is 7. See, 1, 2, 3 zeros, below also 3 zeros. So all these zeros get cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So what is time? 5 years is the time. Now, the same for the second one. Principal equals to 2500, SI is 175 and rate of interest is 8 whole 1 by 2. So we'll first calculate this one. We'll change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now let us see here. 8 whole 1 by 2 is changed into improper fraction and that becomes 17 divided by 2. Then we'll use the formula for T, that is SI into 100 divided by P into R. We'll put the value 175 into 100 into 2 divided by 2500 into 17, that comes to 14 by 17 years. I'll show you the working because here it is mixed fraction given. Now what we have to find out is time. Time equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Now SI is how much? That is, simple interest is 175 into 100 divided by P is how much? 2500 into, that is R. R is rate of interest is, it was 17 by 2. Now we know when we write such equation, what it becomes is 175 into 100 into, I'll show you again, 175 into 100 divided by 2500 into 17 by 2. So this will become 175 into 100. This 2 will go up. So it will be my into 2 divided by 2500 into 17. Means this denominator becomes the numerator and goes up. Now we'll cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are, then how many times? 5 times. Then 5 1s are, 5 7s are. So it is 7 2s are 14 by 17 years. So this is the time, 14 by 17 years. See here, 14 by 17 years. Now the third one, principal is rupees 4000, SI 800 and rate of interest 8. We'll just put these value into the sub formula of time, that equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Again 800 into 100 divided by 4000 into 8, that comes to 5 by 2, and we'll break this 5 by 2 into mixed fraction 2 whole 1 by 2 years. So this is how we find the time. Now question number 2. Find the rate when principal 6000, SI 144 and time 4 years given. Here what we are going to find out? Rate of interest. So we'll use the sub formula for rate. Let me show you. See, this is the main formula. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. We have to find out R, means rate. So we'll take the sub formula. R equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R, and we'll put the value 144 into 100 divided by 6000 into 4, that comes to 3 by 5%. I'll show you the working. This is 144. This is SI into 100 divided by 6000, that is the principal. 4 is time. So 1, 2 zeros get cancelled. 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 are now 30 and 18, now 15, 9, this is 3, this is 5. So 3 by 5% rate of interest, that is 3 by 5%. See here, 3 by 5% rate of interest. Now come to second part of question number 2. Principal rupees 7500, SI, that is simple interest 2025, and time 4 whole 1 by 2 years. Again mixed fraction is given, so we'll convert this into improper fraction first of all. So 4 whole 1 by 2 years become 4 into 1 by 2, that is 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, so 9 by 2 years. And we'll put the values given into the sub formula of rate of interest, that is R equals to SI into 100 divided by P into T. So what is SI? 2025 into 100 divided by P, that is 7500, into 9 by 2, and this 2 goes and becomes numerator and 9 becomes denominator. I'll show you the working. See, this is 2025, this is SI into 100, principal 7500 into 9 by 2. This 9 by 2, this 2 goes up. So this becomes 2025 into 100 into 2 divided by 7500 into 9. So 1 0, 2 zeros get cancelled. Then 5 ones are 5s are 5 4s are 0 5s are. So this is 3 times, this is 81 times. So this is 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7s are, and 9 3s are 27. So what is the answer? That is 2 into 3, 6%. So rate of interest is 6%. This is the rate of interest. Now the third part of question number 2, principal 10,000, SI 2,700, time 6 years, and what we have to find is the rate of interest. Again we'll use the sub formula R equals to SI into 100 divided by P into T. SI is 2700 into 100 divided by 10,000 into 6, that comes to 9 by 2%, and it is written as in mixed fraction 4 whole 1 by 2%. This is all about what we did today is the examples 1, 2, 3 to find out rate of interest, principal and time when SI is given, and then we have done question number 1 all the 3 subparts and question number 2 all the 3 subparts. Thank you children. Have a great day.